When those playwrights give us the same old routine under 1,000 different guises.
I have always tried to behave honourably.
Dearest. My son, thou turn'st my eyes into my very soul, and there I see such black and grained spots as will not leave their teeth.
All men and beasts, lions, eagles, and quails, horned stags, geese, spiders, all life, completing the dreary round imposed upon it.
You have a great deal of talent and you must persevere with your writing. Oh, how excited you are. You've got tears in your eyes. Now listen, you chose your subject in the realm of abstract thought. You did quite right. A work of art should always convey some great idea. Only that which is seriously meant can never be beautiful.
Que sera, darling?
Tell her, oh flowers.
Oh, look at me dancing on my tiptoes like a 15-year-old girl. Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?
So I see. Just the same, I think I shall continue writing.
Hush, no wonder you've got this tendency to wax all philosophical. But I still want to enjoy life a bit. That's why I take the glass of Burgundy to dinner and smoke the old pipe.
And isn't it really weird to see a famous author spending all day fishing? He's so famous, he's all over the papers.
You say not clever enough to understand, but what is that to understand, huh? You didn't like my play. You think I'm a lousy writer. You think I'm ordinary and useless like everybody else. Here comes a real genius himself, huh? Striding along like another Hamlet. You're feeling the warmth of the sun already. You're smiling. Your eyes are melting and glowing like a liquid under its rays, huh? Huh?
And the public read it and say, oh, it's clever and pretty, but nothing as good as Tolstoy or Shakespeare. Until the day I die, I shall be hearing the words clever and pretty and nothing more.
Boris? Boris!
I suppose she wants to go and pack, but I don't want to go.
I do beg your pardon, darling! Sorry to intrude. With my being gone, I don't suppose I'll ever understand why Constantine shot himself. I think it was because of jealousy. It just goes to show, doesn't it? The sooner I get that bastard Trigorin out of my system, the better.
Oh, Mom. You don't realize how his have lost everything. She doesn't love me. I'll never be able to write it. It's hopeless, Mom.
Don't get on such a downer. My pride, my joy.
No, stop.
I couldn't stand it if you left me, if only for an hour. Oh, my wonder, my marvel, my king.
Just can't resist. I never could. I'm too weak. All right. Take me away with you.
Now he's mine.
You just mustn't brood over it and sit around waiting for something to happen. If you're stupid enough to fall in love with a man who doesn't care for you, then the only thing to do is just to get over it.
I'm always talking about new styles of writing. The trouble is I can feel myself getting bogged down in the same old rut. torn up your letters and your photographs, and yet knew all the time that my heart and soul were yours forever. I've been miserable ever since I lost you and I started writing. I've been finding life unbearable. I've been calling out to you, kissing the ground. You walked on.
What a simple, bright, happy life we led.
What was that?
Probably nothing, just one of my medicine bottles exploding.
Master Constantine has shot himself!